What's going on, guys? So we are coming to you today with an unboxing video. Now, you can tell by looking around here, I'm a fan of Tacklife tools. I've got several of their tools, utilize them in my handyman business as well as doing the RV stuff. They make a good product. It's a quality built product and it's at a fair price. Another thing that I like about Tacklife tool is just about all their tools comes in some type of case. You'll see the air chisel here. I've got it laid out. This is the case that it comes in, stores everything. This is their Jumpstart pack, which we've done an unboxing video on. I'll link that up here to a card for you. And they come in some type of case. Now, what we're fixing to do is we're fixing to unbox the Tacklife, and this is going to be a tire inflator. It's like a portable 12-volt air compressor, basically. Now, these things are rated at 150 psi. So we're going to give it the test. Once we get done with the unboxing, we'll do a review video on this and test it out on like a bicycle tire, car tire, and then give it the ultimate test on the RV tire and see how it does on inflating there. But we're going to pull this out. First thing we notice is that it does come in a little small case. Now, this case is a little bit softer, not as hard packed as the case for the Jumpstart pack here that you'll see, or this plastic case here. However, does come in a small little protective cover case. Now we're going to get this opened up. As normal, we are in the Tacklife bag here. So we'll get this taken out. And once we take this out of the package, drop the plastic off. Alright, so there is nothing else inside of the case. No parts rolling around in there. And actually, I see why there's no parts rolling around in there. Right off the bat, the first thing I see is your accessories are back here on the back. We've got a stem to inflate, looks like a basketball or a beach ball or something to that extent. It's got a blower nozzle on it here where it looks like you could inflate like maybe a float or an inner tube, something to that extent. And then we have a small adapter here that not exact. Oh, okay. Let's see. So you got an adapter here that actually screws into this port on the hose and allows you to attach the two accessories to it. Is going to be my guess. Now, I'm not 100% sure on that, but that's the way it looks. Plus, we got an extra fuse right here in case we happen to blow that. And pulling it out right here, yeah, it looks like it's going to be about our length of hose here that you can see. So probably about roughly 3 feet. I don't have a tape measure here. We'll do a review on it and get a better idea on exactly what the length is when we do the review. Right now we're just kind of looking over this to see what we actually have here. Small compartment door on the bottom. Cord. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. So we got our cigarette lighter plug right here. Yep. There's a slot on this side where we can have that come out. So we can actually run this out. I don't know how long this cord is. Again, this is an unboxing video. We're going to do a review on this, and I'll link to it when we get it put up. That allows us to be able to test the product out after we do the unboxing and then give you our thoughts on it as far as whether it is hit or miss or quality or not. Looks like on the top side here, there is a 12-volt port here as well as a USB port. Now, I don't know why those are there. I guess once this is plugged in, you would have power to this for whatever reason. I don't know. I guess you could use it as an extension or something. Maybe you could plug this in and charge a phone off of it if you needed to in an emergency type thing. That would be good. Let's see. We've got power button, we've got plus and minus, and I'm not sure what this other button does. Again, we're going to have to do a review on it and see what we come up with. We did have the user manual. It was down inside the box. I didn't realize that when I took it out. So it does come with a user manual as well as a warranty card, just like Tacklife does normally. We'll get this user manual out, figure out what all these buttons are for. A couple of features about this thing that really made me happy about purchasing it was, one, that it should work with our lithium battery pack that's in our jumpstart kit. Now these two combined together, we should be able to plug this into that jumpstart kit and power this and not have to run this cord all the way back up into the front of the RV, which I don't think it would probably reach 20 some odd feet to the rear to do the rear tires. The other feature on this that I read when I was looking at the specifics for these that I liked was the fact that you can, after going through the manual and figuring it out, we can set this to a pressure. Let's say, for instance, your tires run at 34 psi, and that's what you want them set at. You set this at 34. This actually screws onto the valve stem. You don't have to hold it. It screws on there. You set it at 34. You tell it to inflate, and boom, you can just leave it. You don't have to sit there and hold it. You don't have to stay squatted down, say on the side of the road or something to that extent. You can step back to a safe area, let this run until it inflates the tire, then you can go back and disconnect it and then step back into a safe area off the side of the road if you were in an emergency situation. I like that feature. I especially like the fact that I don't have to sit there and hold this thing on there continuously. And it's not one of those little thumb clamp deals. I don't like those. I've never had any luck with them. They always leak. But this is actually going to screw onto the valve stem, and once it's screwed on there, it's got a rubber O-ring inside of it. It looks like it's going to seal. We're going to give it a shot. We'll put it through its paces, see how it's going to perform, see how long it takes to inflate a tire. I'll even flatten a tire on a vehicle and we'll pump it up with it and see how it does. So guys, stick with us. We're going to be coming to you with a review, but that is the unboxing video on this Tacklife air pump. It's a tire inflator. Again, manual, warranty card. Everything is self-contained, guys. It's all right here. I mean, everything. Your pieces, everything's right here, and you just drop it in this little protective cover and you're good to go. So guys, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Drop comments or questions down below. As always, we're going to have a link to this down in the description, and we appreciate y'all tuning in.